Welcome. Before I show you exactly how QuickSnap will help you save time in your daily workflows, let me tell you why I decided to build it. About a year ago, I built a much simpler Chrome extension to speed up my Facebook marketing, to save some DMs and some links, mainly. Within about 2 weeks, I finally realized that I'm using it for much more, not just for Facebook DMs, but also for call to actions I've used for my articles or for some prompts I've created and optimized. But this first tool was much too limited, so I recently decided to completely rebuild it from ground up. I called the new version QuickSnap Pro. It's built for you if you're working online and if you're looking for ways to speed up your daily workflows, just by having all the things you need regularly in one place. So just let me show you in a few minutes how it works. So here you see the user panel of QuickSnap. We have a link tab and the snippet tab, as well as the AI tools tab. There's another settings tab here, and inside the settings tab you can activate another 2 tabs, a to-do list tab and a content tab. As you see here, you can search links or you can order them by tag or category. In the settings you can remove and add categories as well. So let me show you how easy it is to save something to QuickSnap. Here you see a YouTube video. I want to copy this transcript, so I just highlight the entire transcript and then I use right click and save to QuickSnap. Just give it a name and a tag if you want and click save. Now in the next step I go to ChatGPT. Again I use right click, this time to paste from QuickSnap, and I choose this prompt I've saved previously. This is one of my favorites. And after the prompt here, I paste the transcript I've just saved in the same way. Okay, as you see, ChatGPT generated the details. Now I just highlight the title and save it to QuickSnap. Then I highlight the description and save it, highlight the text and save it, and so on. Now I just go to YouTube and use the same right-click menu to paste the info again. As you see, I have the favorites here and I have up to 5 of the last items I've saved. Inside QuickSnap you can also define UTM parameters and copy them here if you need them. And here we have the AI tools directly built in. So you see here you can switch between 8 different tools for different use cases. Here is the YouTube detail writer as well. So it's just choose this and copy the transcript again. But instead going to GPT, I just open the QuickSnap tools, choose the video details generator, paste my transcript and click generate. So here you see the response. Just copy this completely and go to YouTube, paste it into the description field, and then I can copy and paste it into the fields I need. If you take the QuickSnap Pro Assistant bump upsell, you will be able to create these AI tools on your own, remove my tools or change them, so you can completely edit and create these tools on your own. Optionally, we have finally a timer and a to-do list tab, so you can save your workflow, for example, or you can save the on-page SEO checklist you are using, etc. And if you don't need it, you can just switch it off. Okay, here's in short what you're getting today. This is a QuickSnap Pro Chrome extension, lifetime access, with unlimited links and snippet storage and so on. The built-in UTM tracker. And during the launch you get my bonuses on top. This is a to-do list system built into the extension already. Then a set of 7 built-in AI tools and a custom GPT to help you organize your data and import it into QuickSnap, as well as a step-by-step tutorial. The normal price would be $111, but if you act today, you can get the entire bundle for just $12 and 95 cents. After the launch, the price will increase to $17 and I may remove the bonus. You are completely backed up by my 7-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, just send me an email and I will refund your entire purchase. To get QuickSnap Pro, just click the link below the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment here on YouTube and see you inside.